Hey everybody, how you do? I'm Gunnarolla. Fall is officially here, and with winter around the corner, it is so important to stay healthy and to feel your best. And what better way to do that than with delicious food? We've teamed up with our favorite pasta brand, Catelli, to show you how to create a dish that is comforting and effortless. And with their Smart line, you get the same great taste of traditional white pasta with an easy and affordable way to increase your intake of fiber. Today we're making chicken noodle soup with a few twists, and to help me out, my mom. Hello, Mom.
Hi, Sunshine.
You have to turn the camera.
Oh, hi.
That's it. So are you ready to help me out in the kitchen today?
Hi, I know that you like to eat in a restaurant, but Mom cook is always the best, isn't it?
Of course. So before we get started, why do you think that chicken noodle soup is such a great meal?
You know, when you were younger, I always so busy. So I usually cook you chicken noodle soup, which is easy to cook and fast. I always put Catelli pasta because Catelli Smart has twice the fiber than their regular white pasta. You know how important fiber is for your body.
Very important. All right, I'm super excited. Let's make some soup.
First, we turn the stove to medium heat. You put 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. That's about 2 teaspoons, right? And then we wait a little bit until warm. And you put 1 small onion. I like lots of onion, kill all the germ. About 3 cloves of garlic. If you like garlic, put it a lot to get the evil go away. Celery and carrot and salt and pepper. You stir them about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, your chicken broth. So we're gonna wait this one until it boils. I have leftover the rotisserie chicken.
Now, when we were younger, I loved that you would add tofu sheets to our soup. So beans, sausage, tofu, they're a great way to make your soup more hearty and add some protein.
Now, the main thing, I love this pasta. They're highest in fiber. Look at them, look beautiful too. They cook very quickly, just under 10 minutes. So you have base of the soup.
So here's a twist. If you want to switch up the flavors a little bit, add a bit of pesto to your soup. Yes, you might use pesto on pasta or in a sandwich, but in a soup, you get the garlic, you get the basil, you get the nuts. Or for something completely different, you can add salsa. I know it sounds weird, but add a bit of cheese, it's amazing.
This one is my favorite one. Lemongrass, lime leaves, this is curry powder, and then I use this coconut milk.
That looks good. And finally, to finish things off, if you really want to amp up your soup, truffle oil. Yes, I know it's everywhere these days, but it really elevates any dish, especially a soup, pasta. You will instantly have a 5-star meal.
Well, Mom cooking is always 5-star.
We got 5 soups from one recipe. A chicken noodle soup with added protein, a flavorful pesto, a tangy salsa, a soup channeling Southeast Asian flavors with coconut milk and lemongrass, and a chicken noodle soup elevated with truffle. So thanks again to Catelli for partnering with us on this video. They have so many different pasta cuts in the Smart line, which makes it easy to whip up any kind of recipe and get you fiber. In the comments below, let me know your favorite pasta recipe or if you have a way to jazz up your chicken noodle soup. I'll see you next time.
À la prochaine.
What she said. À la prochaine.